we gon' put it right to their face. Yeah, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. And in today's video, we're gonna be sliding through the Sneakercon Dallas, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you guys in the last video, it's gonna be a movie. I'm gonna give y'all a little fit check, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all guys know when I slide out there, you know what I'm saying? Some little light, you feel me? Nothing too crazy. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button for more content like this. We coming with it awesome, you feel what I'm saying? Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna let Instagram be deciding on what I bought from Sneakercon. I put a poll up about one night ago between 3 shoes, the Off-White Air Max 90s, the Travis Scott 4s, and the Bread 4s. Now, I don't know the results yet of which shoe I'm gonna be getting, but y'all guys do know the results, so I'm gonna pop the results up right here, the little poll results on the screen. Now, I'm saying, y'all see what shoe I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying? That's the shoe I'm gonna be hunting down. If I can't get that shoe, the second most liked shoe, that's which one I'm gonna go for after. And if I can't get that one, it's gonna fall back to the third one. Now, hopefully once we get to Sneakercon, we can find some good deals. I'm gonna definitely be talking people down, bro. Definitely be finessing like usual, you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna let you guys know if we are able to find the shoes and how this does go, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can find the shoes for a good deal that you guys do like. I do got a little budget, but let's see what we can get our hands on. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so me and my dad just made it out here, you feel what I'm saying? Packed, bro. We had to park all the way in the back. I'm talking about all the parking spots taken up. We finna see what they talking about on the inside. Hopefully they got some heat up in there. I'm gonna let you guys know what they got on the tables, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you guys a little look at everything I see up in there. Alright, so we done made it in. Basically, we in this fat line, bro. Me and my dad. Bro, look at this line we're going. I'm finna show y'all the line, bro. This is crazy. Bro, it's about like 500 people in front of us in a line. I mean, it's moving quick, but like still, I ain't even know we was gonna be waiting on line, but we gonna get through this line. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like on the inside. Hopefully it don't take too long, you know what I mean? Man, I'm talking about it's packed, man. Hey, man, they got some heat out here too, bro. You know what I'm saying? We finna get the look, trying to find something real quick. Hey, man, yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, I'm finna try to finesse somebody out here on these boots right here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Somebody finna get finessed over here. I'm not lying to you. Somebody's finna get finessed over here. Oh, yeah. Cuz gonna say 1,000. I'm gonna talk them down to like 600 watts. Alright, so they got the Bread 4s over here. I'm trying to see how much you want it for. They're going for about 501 on StockX. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Excuse me. Going for about 501 on StockX. I'm gonna see how much they want for them. Like they use a little scuffed on the bottom. Cause they got all stars still. Size 10.5. Better see how much they want for it. They want 450 for it. I'm gonna try to see if I can talk them down real quick. Pretty good condition. Inside pretty good. Only thing I can notice is the scratch on the outside right here. No creases. They're pretty good. I'm gonna see what they want for it real quick. Alright, so I think I found the shoes I'm gonna get. I'm gonna try to get them bread 4s. Cuz wanted 450 for them. I'm talking them down to like 440. And he said they're not even his shoes. So I was trying to get them like 420s. But I can't get them down to that low. So 450 probably my best bet on them. And right now I'm about to walk down here, see how low I can talk dude down on these UNC 3s. UNC 3s, he want 500. I'm gonna try to talk him down to like 440. And if he go lower than the bread 4s, I'm gonna get the UNC 3s. But if the bread 4s gonna be cheaper than the UNC 3s, of course I'm gonna get the bread 4s. I'm gonna let you guys know what I do. I'm gonna update y'all, you know what I'm saying? And the bread 4s are in real good condition too. That's the only thing. Like, the bread 4s they use, but they in real good condition. UNC 3s is brand new. So I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna go with. Alright, just walked out, gotta pick out the bread 4s, man. I've been wanting the bread 4s for a minute, finally got them, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make a good little deal, 450. On StockX, they're going for like, after taxes, probably say like 550 after taxes, so say the good little amount. It was either gonna be between the bread 4s or the UNC 3s. And the UNC 3s, they was going for like 500 for them. And they wasn't budging on that 500. So I was like, man, I'm just gonna go for these 4s and get them at a cheaper price. I've been wanting 4s for a minute, so got them boys. Man, traffic out here crazy. I'm trying to walk in. I'm trying to walk through mud and forces and everything, man. Man, this is crazy though. You know, this is the first Sneakercon in like 2 years, I believe. Or maybe like a year, something like that, since the pandemic. So it was packed, bro. I'm telling you, it was packed. Y'all seen the clips, crazy. But we walked out with something. We didn't walk out empty-handed, so I don't know, man. They wasn't budging on them prices at Sneakercon, but I was trying to get them down, but they wasn't budging on them at all, you feel what I'm saying? But got it for a good little price. I ain't complaining. And I got some clothes already gonna match with the 4s too, so that's the good thing. If I would've got the UNC 3s, I ain't really had nothing to match with them, but I'm gonna blow in my closet either though, so it would've been like a little changer, but I ain't tripping, bro. You already know where I'm at with it. Is that good right, sir? Oh, can I have a little more rice, please? Sir. Thank you.
Black beans, correct?
Black beans, yes, sir.
And chicken. Did I get any good today, sir?
Oh, no, I'm good on that. And then could I have a side of medium salsa? Yeah, a little bit of cheese on top, please.
Will that be it?
Yeah, that'd be it.
Alright, man, I don't know if I can get a big chicken nuggets, you know what I'm saying? I got something a little light on, you feel me? Nice little Scarface shirt, the polo jacket, nice little black jeans, you feel me? White forces. Something like that, you feel me?
Alright, boys, just made it back from Sneakercon. Now, we did pick up some heat. We did get the shoes that was voted for the most. You know what I'm saying? Nice little deal, too. I'm gonna let you guys know how much we got them for and how much they're going for in the market. Alright, so like I said, we did end up getting the bread 4s. Now, we did get these at a great price. If you guys look at market price right here, they're sitting at around $5.90 after tax if you do buy them straight off of StockX. Locally, I haven't seen any locally my size. I wear size 11, so this was the best deal I've ever seen in a minute. Now, like I said, bro, quality on these shoes is great. Condition on these shoes is even better, bro, for the price they was at. I got these at $450. Like I said, this is the price again what they had on market. Big steal on me, I'm telling you, bro. These are the shoes right here. Man, I already let these boys up, but look at them, bro. Oh, yes, sir. Condition is great. I mean, look at the soles, bro. Soles not even dirty. All the stars still there on the end of the toe. Like, bro, these shoes are in great condition. I think you told me they was worn them once. Great condition. Price on StockX is going for around $5.90. I got these for $140 less. So basically, big steal. Worn once. I'm not tripping about that, bro. Insole is nice. You know what I'm saying? Inside's not dirty. Only thing that was noticeable on this shoe was a little scratch on the little. There was a little scratch right here. That little scratch right there, bro. That's it. That's the only thing that was noticeable on these shoes. Besides that, it's a brand new pair of kicks, bro. Of course, the box is kind of beat up too. It's probably why the price was down a little bit. I tried to talk him down a little bit more, but he wasn't budging off that $450. So this is the best I could do. I did look at the Off-White Air Max 90s, but nobody was selling them for less than like 11 or 1200. I said some Travis Scott 4s. Cheapest price I could see was $650. I got these for $450. Went with the cheaper shoe, you know what I'm saying? Travis Scott 4s is nice, don't get me wrong. They're going for around 1200 on market, 1100 on market. That's what everybody at the table was charging. Ended up getting these for $450. Saved about $200. Sneakercon was definitely a movie, you know what I'm saying? It was crazy, but I'm talking about 10,000 plus people there. As you guys seen in the first clip, I walked in, bro, it was like people to the door. It was full to the door, bro. I showed like a little aerial clip, bro. It was crazy. I seen a lot of celebrities, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people I knew, a lot of famous YouTubers, 2J's Kicks, Blazendary, Cam's Kicks. Now, I didn't take a picture with none of them, bro, because like, it was a whole lot of people running up to them trying to get pictures. But you know, so I did get little clips showing like, you know, so that they was there. And then I also seen Bun B. I don't know if y'all familiar with Bun B. I don't know where y'all stay. If y'all stay in California, whatever the figure, but bro, if y'all down in the South, I know y'all know about Bun B. You know what I'm saying? He was a big rapper from like early 2000s. Yeah, man, I seen Bun B, real cool dude, bro, real cool dude. But like I said, man, Sneakercon was a success. If you guys do plan on going to Sneakercon, hey man, slide through. They only have them a select few times a year. I know they're having another one in December, so they had one now and then they have one in December. So they might only have them like 2 to 3 times a year. So when you guys can make them, bro, it's crazy. It sells out. Hella people coming through, but make sure you guys do slide through to the next Sneakercon, you know what I'm saying? Say something to your boy. Also, let me know if you guys liked what I picked up, you know what I'm saying? Let me know down in the comment section below if y'all rocking with the bread fours. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for more content like this. We coming with it all summer. It's been your boy, and I'm out.